Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, March 24th. It is Wednesday, that means it's an async day. We will not meet together as a class on Zoom. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have two activities to do. Your first activity is to complete page 30 and 31 in your book. The audio for page 32A and B is right under the picture. The audio for 3A is right here under the picture. Take a picture and upload. Your next assignment is MEL. You'll complete telecommunicating vocabulary. And that's it for async. I will have office hours. As always, I'm available from 7 to 8. If you have any questions, you need clarifications, if you want to talk about Spark, if you want to talk about your progress, please come and use this time to ask questions. And here are some activities with student services. If you have any question about how to transfer your educational documents from your home country to the US, they have a session on that. And that's it. Good luck.